at the market. In and out, they came in and they went out. Yeah, they came in and yeah, they went out. Oh yeah, in and out, came to Macau today. Long lines for an In-N-Out burger, but so worth it. I hope they come back again someday. In and out, they came in and they went out. Yeah, they came in and yeah, they went out. Oh yeah, in and out, came to Macau today. They went in and they went out.
Okay, so today they have a pop-up store, and so they're going to try it out here in Macau, and it's just only for 4 hours, and it looks like you might have to wait about 1 hour. We're going to just walk down and just see the line. I hope they have this. I hope this comes to Macau. So let's take a look and see. Yep, Macau had a little pop-up store of an In-N-Out burger, and they actually had burgers and they made them available. And the line was so long, and they sold out of the burgers maybe about 1:30, so about an hour and a half too soon. I think the demand was pretty high and the interest was really high, and the line was pretty long. It was about over an hour. And anyways, this is all the video footage of that line for the In-N-Out burger. Pretty tasty. Okay. So yeah, they really hope this comes. So if there's a mall up here, and I've never been in this mall, kind of curious. It looks like you have to wait to get to the elevator to come in. It's at M2 Kitchen made in Macau. And it's only going to be for 3 or 4 hours today. And the line is, let's go see the line. So this is the line for the In-N-Out. So it looks like it goes all the way down the street. And right now it's about 12:30, so it'll be only available until 3 p.m. So it's open at 11. I did talk to one person who came at 10:45. She said that she had to wait 1 hour, and I just saw her with a bag. So the line continues. It looks like it's going to go around the corner. Down this way too. So okay. So it looks like it's going to keep going all the way down. So if we want to get a line, we're going to be all the way down here, which will be right there. So a fairly long line. So, okay. Well, hopefully they come to Macau. It looks like that's easily going to be an hour to be in that line. And I don't think it's moving too quickly either, so. Let's come across the street here. So yeah, that's basically the line for the In-N-Out. So it's about 12:30. All right. So we're inside, and this is
Where's the In-N-Out logo? I don't see it.
Oh, I just see the paper one.
Yeah, the logo. Oh, that's the line there, man. There's another line there.
Still quite a ways.
Oh, that's the east way.
Oh, nice. Getting closer, we're almost there. Let's That's the line this way, and there's also a line. I'm gonna see if I can film. Okay. So it looks like this is going to be the end of it. The line looks like it's going to end. We were outside. There's nobody outside anymore. So yeah, this is made in Macau. Okay, so In-N-Out, they're out of burgers. And it's about almost 2 o'clock, 1:45 or something like that. So they send everybody else away. But we had that line that was all the way out here a little while ago. So that was In-N-Out.
In-N-Out in Macau. Here today, gone tomorrow.